Good morning, it's day 2 in Las Vegas. I've got my Vans on. This dress I bought at Shein a million years ago. I don't recommend buying things from Shein, but I did like this dress. And then I got this sweater from J. Crew a couple seasons back. There's my at least first half of the day outfit. And Austin's toe has been bothering him, so we've been on the phone with the doctor back home and CVS and trying to figure out getting his prescription sent here, which is fun. So nothing is open anyway, so we're just gonna go have breakfast and regroup from there. See what we can do to figure out this prescription thing. And then we don't really have plans for the day yet. I don't know what we're doing. Maybe walking around some more. Maybe we'll go to the pool. I don't know. But we're gonna go have breakfast. We got breakfast at Terrace Point Cafe, which you will see in time with the other vlogs. We end up going to quite a lot. They did have a few vegan options. There was the vegan chicken and waffles, the vegan French toast, the huevos rancheros, if I could talk. There was also like a muffin too. We never ended up getting the muffin. There were juices, coffee, all that stuff. So I ended up getting an orange juice. I got coffee with soy milk, or was it oat milk? I don't remember. And we sat outside. It was gorgeous this morning. Absolutely beautiful. Although there were a lot of little like whiny birds. I guess it's like mating season for birds. They were very squawky. And so this morning I ended up getting the huevos rancheros. Austin got the vegan chicken and waffles. The huevos came with extra sauce that's already on it, and then a side of hot sauce too. It normally has Impossible chorizo in it, but I got mine without it because I'm just not big on Impossible meats. We're back in the hotel room again. We're waiting for the pharmacy to open so we can call the pharmacy here and see if they can pull the prescription in so we can walk up and get it, because it's like, I don't know, like 3/4 a mile up the road or something. It's not a bad walk. But we want to make sure they actually have it in stock and can fill it before we go up there. The breakfast was delicious. Oh my god, so much better than La Cave last night. That food was just so boring, I guess is the best way to put it. Overpriced, underflavored, just not good. But this breakfast food was great. Austin said it was the best waffle he's had since going vegan, which is pretty high marks. And the huevos rancheros, I got mine without the chorizo, was amazing. Amazing. So good. I would gladly eat breakfast there again and get one of their other menu items. Maybe the French toast. So good. So now I'm just gonna rest in bed and chill here till we can figure out what our next step is. Okay, we are heading out to the CVS all the way up the street. How far away is it? Mile and a half up the road.
2 miles, sorry.
I have switched into my Olacais because my feet are just aching, and these have some good arch support. I actually can really walk in these. So that's what we're doing, off to CVS. Good times. We ended up spending a lot of the morning walking around the casinos, looking at the shops. We picked up Austin's medication at the CVS, and just kind of bopped in and out all over the place. I got this juice, it's just a green juice. I don't remember what casino that was from. And I did some shopping. We're back in our hotel. I had to put my feet up. My feet are just aching at this point. We did a whole lot of walking. We did make it all the way down the strip to that CVS. Got Austin's medicine, so we are good to go on that front. And then we did a little bit of meandering around and shopping. I got myself a little something. Got a really cute bag. I'll show you guys that later when we get dressed up to go to dinner and Drag Race Live, because I'm going to wear it with my outfit, so I won't get it out just yet, but I'm very excited about it, and it's super cute. And now we're going to rest for probably a few minutes or so, and I think we might go down to the pool and relax the rest of the day at the pool. We did a lot of walking around, and my eyes have been so sensitive. Like, they look so glassy. They've been watering all day. It's really irritating. But, oh well. Yeah. And I had a smoothie. I think I took a clip of that. So I'm gonna FaceTime my grandma because it was Easter yesterday, so I'm gonna see how her day went and relax a little. We're done relaxing. You might hear children in the background squealing in jubilation, and I have a huge cocktail at Paloma, and it is so nice out. I'm really glad we're here. Okay, here's my outfit of the night. I've got this cute little like 70s print peachy baby doll dress from J. Crew. I think this is still in stock. I'll link to it if it is. And my lovely checkered Vans, the tan and white, which I'm obsessed with, and my new bag. It's like a tanny blush color. And it's got this metal detail, this chain detail, and the strap is extendable. It's like self-extendable. It's really cool. And I'm wearing this Earthbones gold necklace and just the earrings I've been wearing. Put on a little bit of a face and a messy bun, and that is the outfit for tonight. We're going to see RuPaul's Drag Race live tonight. I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see which girls are on the cast tonight, because I know there's a whole bunch, so they like rotate. So it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go get tacos at Tacotarian, and that is the plan. That was on like this list I found online about best vegan places in Vegas to try. I'll link that list down below. So I'm excited. So we took an Uber over to Tacotarian. It was not that far away, actually, like maybe 10 minutes. We both got the taco platter, which is 3 tacos, beans, and rice, but you have to choose from the list of tacos they have listed there. So I got the barbacoa, the dorado, and the bean and cheese. Austin ended up getting the carne asada, the el pastor, and the barbacoa. And then we got some chips and salsa. I don't remember if we ordered those or if they just came with the, I don't know, eating in the restaurant. As you can see, they're all so cute. My favorite was the bean and cheese. And then they let you pick out sauce. I obviously got the extra hot, and that was delicious. Austin got the mild, and he said it was still too hot for him, which is classic Austin. This food was so good. I had no room for dessert, but Austin got the fried Oreos, and it came with a little bit of ice cream. I don't know how he managed to eat all of these, but he did, and it gave him a stomach ache because he ate too much. But he said they were really, really good. We're in the theater. Love it. We're in our seats for Drag Race Live. I'm excited. You excited? He's excited. The theater is really pretty, actually. Hello, hello, hello. We are back from Drag Race Live. I'm so tired. My contacts are driving me nuts. They're like getting blurry and dried out. I'm trying to get these out of my eyes. It's been an experience relearning how to get contacts out with my acrylics. Did I mention that in the vlog yet? I got acrylics. I love these. I've missed them so much. Anyway, Drag Race Live was amazing. So good. I died. So we had Coco Montrese, Kahana Montrese, Eureka, Naomi, and Derek, and they were all amazing. We hadn't seen any of them before, so it was a new experience with all of them, which was so awesome. We had adorable little English boys at our table. One of them got called up on stage to like do a fake slap thing with Coco, which was fun. I'll probably pick a couple of the clips I took on my phone or like from Instagram and try to put them in this video. I've had trouble with phone clips before, but so we'll see how that works out. Maybe you'll see some, maybe you won't. If not, I'll put in a couple pictures. But it was so much fun. Oh my god. So much fun. I'm so glad we got to see it. So good. And I feel like there's probably not a bad seat in the entire house. So good. Okay. I am going to wash my face and brush my teeth and go to bed now.
Which one? Are these all your friends?
Yeah!
That's your boyfriend? Okay. Boyfriend. Listen, this is what I need you to do. Now you saw the lame job that he did up there on me. I'm gonna need you to redeem this whole thing. I'm gonna need to see you. Bitch slap him. Now not for real. Not for real, because you'll be in a whole lot of trouble once the show is over. Now I wanna see you, bitch slap him, okay? Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Y'all do this at home. Thank y'all so much for coming. All right, ladies.